Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Singh, and in this video I'm not going to teach you a watercolor, and I'm not showing you any watercolor demonstration and any of those techniques which I have been sharing those videos. Rather, through this video I wanted to spread a news is that last week I have been a victim of cyber phishing, where a couple of my painting has been stolen. So this happened last week. One of my painting was national awarded artwork in National Art Exhibition. You should not do the same thing what I did. So I also want you to spread this news across the world and let the people know, share this video and let the people know that this couple of my painting has been stolen, and try to reach out to me getting this information about this couple of painting. So that happened. So I've already sent the shipment. Another very disappointment thing is when I've sent the shipment, the moment I came across that this is a fraudulent, I have stopped the shipment. But one of the biggest the shipment company could not avoid this. That's the really sorry to know that. I have informed around 15 to 20 hours before, so my shipment was still in a home ground, and they could have easily stopped that shipment, but they could not. So the shipment, the tracking number which I've shared, I've just seen that it's going one location to different location, and eventually it got it got delivered to that address. They couldn't done anything, so I'm really very upset about that one. But whatever happened, they cannot stop me to make a painting. I'm a creator. I'm going to make 1,000 watercolor artwork. So I request all of you to please share this video across the world and let the people know that this couple of painting has been stolen. Do not buy this painting. Do not get any sort of artwork, whether it's a print or whether it's in any form. Okay, please let me know. Send me an email. The description I have given my email ID. That would be really helpful, and that's the kind of appeal I have to you, because we need to stop this. And please do not do that if you are in the same business, no matter if you're in art business or any other business. Do not entertain such email. So you have to verify if you're getting any email, something like this. You first need to verify the source of the email, and if it's from bank, just see that, go back to the bank and ask them from their customer care, call them, chat them and ask them whether this information is correct or not. Do not just blindly follow that instruction what these guys are given. So I have gone back to the bank and I asked, and then he said there is 1,000 of email we are receiving every single day, and this fraudulent thing is happening. So that's happened, but it's okay. I can make 1,000 of painting like this. Okay, so that's not a big thing. That's the eye-opening. That's the first time this happened. But you guys please help me to trace this couple of painting. Currently this was in Hong Kong, that turned out to be a supply chain courier company where my painting has gone, where it's been delivered, and from there, I don't know, probably he had been given instruction to this courier company to, you know, send this painting wherever he wants. If you have any right suggestion how to track this, so please let me know. I'll be really happy to listen to you. And that's all, guys. It happened, but that's not at all stopping me to make art and teaching you watercolor art. So it's just the kind of information I just wanted to give you. We will be rocking with the watercolor. We are a creator, and we will be creating art. They can steal your painting, but they cannot steal your creativity. So that's all, guys. I'll be coming with a super new video very soon, and we'll be keep rocking. See you. Take care.